What's up, everybody? I'm Rob Anderson out here with my new friends, Nick and Shantae. They're from Florida, where it's currently warmer than it is here right now. And I'm guessing you guys are a couple. Are you a couple?
We are.
Yes.
Awesome, that's good. Good answer, because I actually have some romantic magic tricks I'd like to show you. And if you weren't a couple, they would just be awkward magic tricks. So, same show, different feel, but you guys are together. How long have you been together for?
3.5 years, over 3.5 years.
Really, no kidding, going on 4 years.
Yes,
Congrats.
in August it'll be 4 years.
No kidding,
Yeah.
it's amazing. Well, congrats to you both. All right, so you guys have been together almost 4 years.
Yes.
About 4 years ago, you got together, went on some first dates, got to know each other, and held hands and everything, and you realized you liked each other. I want to take you back to that. I hope you did at least.
Of course.
Yeah, good. You laughed at that. I want to take you back to early on in the relationship. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Awesome. I've got a card here. I got the 9 of clubs. Now, early on when you guys held hands, we're going to recreate that moment. Nick, hold one hand out towards Shanta really quick. I've got, you guys are already holding hands. I need you for that in just, have you seen my show before? Because we planned this. We set this up and I'll give you that 20 bucks later.
Okay.
Now you're gonna hold a hand out. I'm gonna give you a card. Now, so it doesn't blow away, I actually do need you to put your hand on top.
Okay.
Put your, just you, no, your hand. There we go. Now you guys got it. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be really good. All right. I'm gonna use, I got the Ace of Hearts here, which I think is better for you guys to have, because it represents love.
Yeah.
And you guys have been together so long, you're in love. You really are a good couple. I like you guys already. I don't want to take your card away, but I do want to give you the heart.
Okay.
Watch the heart. We should be able to change it into the 9. Look at what you guys have now. Look in your hand, and you've got the hearts. All right. You guys are in love.
That's pretty cool.
Thank you. Thank you. I practiced that one first. Thank you.
A few times, right?
Yeah. Well, I actually made a little prediction before I came here about meeting a couple, about you guys being very compatible. And we're going to test out this little prediction I made right now. I've got 4 cards right here. This next trick will have to do with your compatibility together. It's a 2-part trick. Shanta, would you hold on to these for me, just like I have them in the palm of your hand, gently holding them so they don't move or fly away or anything, just like that. Perfect. Shanta, Nick just chose the red cards, the heart and diamond. You can keep either one. Would you like heart or diamond?
Diamond.
Diamond. She wants a diamond. No pressure. Just kidding. Sorry. Sorry. I had to say it. No funny moves. No funny moves. You guys worked together to choose the Queen of Diamonds. The one card I predicted in advance you guys would say actually was the Queen of Diamonds.
Oh my gosh.
I took it out of a totally different deck of cards. Here's what's cool. I knew you guys would be compatible. I said I was committed from the very beginning. I didn't bring any other cards with me except the Queen of Diamonds. I knew how compatible you guys would be. You guys go so well together. Sometimes when you're connected to another person through like happy memories, you develop like a sixth sense. Like something happens with someone, the other person feels it or knows about it. I don't know if you felt this way before. I'm gonna try to help you guys feel that tonight though, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. Both of you, I want you to think of a happy memory from your relationship. Anything at all, doesn't matter what it is, could be anything. Don't tell me, don't say it out loud. It's just for you to know. Look into each other's eyes and just imagine that memory and think about how happy it made you feel. And relax and focus on that happy memory. And while you do that, Nick, you're actually going to close your eyes as you focus on that. Shanta, your eyes will stay open. Nick, I won't try anything funny, I promise. You're just going to focus on this. We're going to do a little energy transfer. It's not going to get too weird. We're just going to try to take a little bit of energy over here where Shanta is. We're going to put that energy over here where Nick is. All those happy memories. That's as weird as that gets. Promise. One more time. We're going to take some of your energy from your happy memory. We're going to put it over here. Nick, just pay attention to everything that you hear and feel as we transfer the energy. And I'm going to do this. Nick, open up. I want you to be honest. While your eyes were closed, did you just feel anything touch you?
Yes. At my nose.
You actually did?
Yeah.
You weren't peeking though?
No.
You did feel something touch your nose?
Yeah.
Did I touch him? Really? But did I touch you? Gently, lightly. Where? On your nose. And you felt it happen. I don't know what that memory is. I want you guys to leave here and tell each other later because that's obviously a very happy memory from your relationship. Let's do the big finale. Are we ready for the grand finale?
Sure.
Let's do the grand finale. Words are important in a relationship. Words are always very important. We want to find the right words to tell someone exactly how much they mean to us, especially when you guys are so close. We want to always find the right thing to say. I'm sure Nick is good with his words. I'm sure he is. I'm sure you are, Nick. Me, not always. I wrote some words down earlier, but they don't really mean anything. They didn't. It's lim, irma, yerma whirl. I just started writing. I'm going to be the next great author. I'm working on it's my masterpiece here. These words don't mean anything. It's the meaning we put into a word that really makes it important. I think you may have some words you'd like to say to each other tonight. Nick, I bet you have some words you'd like to say. I know they're not these words, but something tells me that these words may be what you're looking to say tonight. And I wanted to let you know that our DIY proposal kits, they contain every romantic thing you need to stage your own proposal. They're now shipping at magicalproposals.com. Go check them out.